Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023. And today, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate with a score of 1.92. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 13 days ago. That's an average return of 1.31% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper portion of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $208.69, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 28.51% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 14.34% and 31.28%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 58.81% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between 25.43% and 61.91%. So, after a year, the stock price could be in the range of $256.25 to $330.76. Today's update on CrowdStrike brings us exciting news. CrowdStrike stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. Yesterday, the CrowdStrike stock experienced a slight decrease of -1.77%. It went from $207.97 to $204.29. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 3.66%, reaching a low of $202.67 and a high of $210.09. It's worth noting that in the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 of them, showing a positive trend. In the last 2 weeks, it has seen an impressive growth of 14.54%. Additionally, the decrease in trading volume aligns with the decrease in stock price, which can be seen as a positive indicator. On that day, the trading volume decreased by -135,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $733.23 million. Looking at its performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $210.09, while the lowest was $92.25. Currently, the stock is trading at 2.76% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $5.80. Moreover, it is 31.56% below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 10, 2021. On that date, the stock reached an impressive price of $298.48. Today, I want to talk about recent analyst ratings for CRWD. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, Jefferies gave CRWD a cautious grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Thursday, September 21, 2023, BMO Capital gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, September 21, 2023, Wedbush also gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. Another analyst, Mizuho Securities, gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, Needham rated CRWD as a buy with a hold action. CrowdStrike stock has received a general buy rating from analysts. Analysts have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. The stock is rated neutral for return on investment. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any corrections down, the stock is expected to find support at the levels of $198.07 and $182.26. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Although there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -1.77% so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume of trading also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as the volume tends to follow the price movements. In this video, we will discuss some interesting signals that can help inform your investment decisions. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which recently indicated a buy signal. Another signal is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal also showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 53 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 139 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 172 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has two important ones below today's level. The first one is at $181.82, and the next one is at $176.69. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall further to the next support level. So, in this case, if CrowdStrike breaks the support at $181.82, the next support will be at $176.69 and $163.03. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. CrowdStrike is considered to have a medium level of risk. The stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is not too high. In the last day, the stock had a range of $7.42 between its high and low, which is about 3.66% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.95%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled for November 28, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.740. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $207.97. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if CrowdStrike experiences a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as there may be expectations of a rebound. The average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analysts is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 13, 2023, Podbear Bert W. conducted an insider sell of 30,500 shares of Class A common stock. On November 13, 2023, Gandhi Samir K. conducted an insider sell of 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 13, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey conducted an insider sell of 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 11, 2023, Austin Roxanne S. conducted an insider sell of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey conducted an insider sell of 2,713 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -16.610. Overall, insiders purchased 1,036,324 shares and sold 1,325,442 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $196.09, which represents a decrease of 4.01%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which implies a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 83, indicating a substantially increased risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe CrowdStrike stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Several short-term signals, along with a positive overall trend, indicate the potential for strong performance. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, adding to the appeal of investing in CrowdStrike stock. Looking ahead to Thursday, November 16th, we anticipate an opening price of $205.68, representing a $1.39 increase from the previous trading day. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Please keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's worth noting that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Before we begin, we'd like to wish you a beautiful day from the entire StockInvest team.